Okay, andito tayo ngayon sa Acop Dam. This is the starting point for the Eve Tour Challenge. Nagaganap yan sa Sabado. At ito po yung 300 meters dam na lalangoyin nila at the start of the competition. Makikita natin ngayon si Mar and si Marlon just preparing for their time trial. Ang gagawin nila sa araw na ito, they will cross this dam. This is a 350 meters dam. Pagdating nila sa dulo, they will turn right. Tatakbo sila all the way sa baba ng bundok na ito. Pagdating do sa baba, they will turn right and they will go around and around. Iikutin nila yan and then they will climb that mountain that you see right there. Papunta sila ron. Pagdating nila ron, once they have crossed that mountain, they will go downhill and then they will go uphill again back to this mountain and down to Salvacion. This is a 10 kilometers run uphill and downhill right here in Acop Dam.